Just open it and load it?
Yeah, let's just open it and load
Are you rolling?
It's going.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should have plenty of space.
So which Philadelphia hospital were you born in?
No, that's wrong. I don't know.
Cooper.
I actually forget the name of it. Cooper's not the right name.
Joyzy.
No.
Just gonna be a bunch of footage. I mean, no music, or maybe some music.
Okay.
And
So
eventually somebody's gonna want to hear you say something, or
okay. So I'll
hear
talk.
what we're doing here.
Okay.
I'm putting that audio in there.
Yeah, you should.
It's gonna be hilarious.
Yeah. So, what's up, guys, and welcome back to the stables. We are headed to Cozzi Jewelers in PA, right outside of Philly. Good friends of mine. We're going to be doing a Toys for Tots drive with them. We're going to be meeting Mclaren of Philadelphia there as well. It's basically a party. It's a party with cars and toys. Yeah, it's for the kids.
And then we dropped toys underneath the Christmas tree.
We did. Basically Santa.
Basically Santa.
Except we were operating during daylight hours.
And then we had a lightsaber fight.
Do that.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. What a job. What a job to have. Nobody offered me a job. And buy my own cars. You can switch lanes without killing us.
Yeah.
Ready?
We gotta be careful out here. It's a great day for America. Anytime you can give back to the community and give back to children who need it. I mean, what's better this time of year?
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas in Philadelphia.
Skyline shots.
Yeah, look at those skyline shots.
Okay. So we are at Car Lofts in Fairfield, and we came up here with Fabspeed. We have some awesome stuff coming with Fabspeed very soon. It may be a super build. I don't know. But yeah, so we have some fun stuff coming with them. We're gonna take you on a quick walk around, see some of the awesome cars that are here. All right, B-roll, and then that's it.
B-roll, we'll make it look nice and call it a day.
Cool.
Yeah. So this is gonna be a short one.
Yeah.